this platform that is Sketchflow. You can say this, and this platform is a.io where you get a limit of only 5 projects, and you can see the UI also. That's pretty same, and you also don't have options for this editor like things. Just get this much options, not a notion like text editor, document canvas, etc. Okay, so this is the thing you get here. Okay, now I introduce you Sketchflow, where you can see the pricing is very less. They charge up to $15 to $20. I don't know what's the pricing. Let's see the pricing. It has $10 and $20 per month, 28 diagrams, 14 unlimited files. Okay, in free plan they have only 5 files. Now you can see this, we have 100 projects you can create, and all unlimited just for $2 per month, and remaining is custom pricing. And for yearly subscription you can pay $10, less cheaper, a cheaper price. So you can see all the stuff that we can build with it, and see what are the features you are getting here, and the FAQs all set. So for now let's jump to the dashboard. You can see here it's not a pro dashboard, and this is the community where other people can share their projects, and this is the template section for the pro members. Let's jump to the new project. What you guys want? For the free section we have a limit of 100 projects, and you can see there's a nice notion like editor, to-do list, and there's something bath, drink, etc. And it also supports markdown, okay. And you can get the canvas view, document view like this. You can save it, and you can also share this. Let me draw something, save it, and let's share it. You can now share this project. If you will not share, this won't be open in others files. And you can see it's in read-only mode. People can clone your projects also, but for that they have to log in. Okay, let's close this, and now let's rename this project to Sketchflow intro. Let's save this. It's saved. Let's go to shared projects, and you will see this is shared to the community, and other people can clone this and view this also. We are the creator, so we will get the edit options like this, and you can also switch to dark mode from here. Okay, so this is the thing, you can get it here, and there are so many features that are coming in future. You can also create articles from here, new articles. Save this, publish this. Okay, so this is the thing you will get. Draft is here. This is not published yet. These features are still in beta and will come in future, so you can upgrade it using PayPal, very easy. Let's close this, And this was the whole intro of the project. The AI features are also coming here, like you can click on edit and like Notion, see continue writing. This is for pro members only for now. It will be available for all soon. So thanks for watching the video, and if you have any feedback or something related to this project, you can also try this project and submit it here in the contacts page. So thanks for watching the video. See you later. Thanks.